Zinc plays a major role in the immunity, in wound healing, blood clotting, the thyroid function, and the sense of taste and smell. It also has some important functions in the pregnancy and the fetus development. So as you can see, it works everywhere. And if you have zinc deficiency, you will have many symptoms everywhere, as you will see. The main conditions or people who are at risk of developing zinc deficiency are people who are suffering from prolonged diarrhea, or those who with conditions that cause stress on the body. Stress in the sense of energy depletion, such as the case in patients with burns or sepsis. Other groups at risk are pregnant patients, and this makes sense because they have a fetus who's consuming large amounts of zinc to develop. Also vegans, due to the limited amount of foods that are non-meat or non-dairy products that contain zinc. The main symptoms of zinc deficiency include loss of taste or smell, and this can be gradual and also correlates to the amount of zinc deficiency. So the more severe the zinc deficiency, the more severe the symptoms. Poor appetite, depressed mood, decreased immunity, and this can be seen as recurrent infections that are common, such as tonsillitis or throat infections, delayed wound healing, and we also see this symptom with vitamin C deficiency, diarrhea, and hair loss. The most common sources of zinc are seafoods, beef, poultry, pork, legumes, nuts and seeds, whole grains, and fortified foods. But you'll get most of it from the seafoods. The recommended daily intake is 11 milligrams per day for men and 8 milligrams a day for women. And for women, this increases to 11 or 12 milligrams a day if they were pregnant or lactating. And this mainly occurs in people who are taking zinc supplementation. The symptoms include nausea and vomiting, poor appetite, vague or random abdominal cramps, headaches, and diarrhea. Use the link below to get access to the full Essential Vitamins and Minerals course. In this course, we will talk about all the vitamins, the minerals, their important functions, and deficiency symptoms. At the end of the course, you will be an expert in vitamins and essential minerals, as the course covers everything that you need to know.